Check out this Kia 2020 Sportage S if you are looking for a first-rate auto. This one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include traction control, ABS and driveline, power heated mirrors, front seat type, bucket, signal mirrors, turn signal and mirrors, reclining rear seats, rear wiper, daytime running lights, Bluetooth and descent control, hill descent control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.